3D printing software is essential for creating and printing 3D objects. It allows users to design and create 3D models, and then slice those models into layers that can be printed by a 3D printer. There are many different types of 3D printing software available, each with its own unique features and functionalities. Some popular 3D printing software programs include Cura, Prusa Slicer, and Simplify 3D. Design software is used to create the 3D models that will be printed. Design software programs offer a variety of features for creating 3D models, such as geometric shapes, curves, and text. Slicing software takes a 3D model and slices it into layers that can be printed by a 3D printer. The slicing software will also generate support structures for the print, which are needed to support overhanging parts of the model during printing. Printing software sends the sliced 3D model to the 3D printer and controls the printing process. The printing software will monitor the printer temperature, speed, and other settings to ensure that the print is successful. 3D printing software is a powerful tool that allows users to create and print custom 3D objects. With the right 3D printing software, anyone can create 3D printed objects, from simple toys to complex engineering components.